Welcome. In this video I will show you how to display or hide the remaining battery time in your Windows on HP SPECTRE X360. To do either of that, you're gonna need to first enter the BIOS on your laptop. And to enter BIOS, you have to short press the power button to launch it, and then repeatedly click the escape key until you see the startup menu on your screen. Once you see the startup menu, you're gonna have to short press the F10 button, and this will get you into BIOS, which is this menu. Here you're gonna have to navigate to the configuration tab using the right arrow key, and then scroll down to the battery remaining time option. By default it is disabled, so if you want to see how much time left until your battery is discharged in Windows, you have to press enter and change this value to enabled. And if you want to hide the remaining time, you have to disable this feature. To apply changes, press F10 and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.